औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू. Dear students, we were doing subtracting 4 digits number and we have completed page number 50 on our last lecture. Now we are going to start page number 51, question number 2. Question 2 on page 51, A part is 8454. Next number is 3212. We have to subtract them. From extreme right side, we will start our subtraction. 4 minus 2, this is 2. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. 8 minus 3, 5. This is A part, question number 2, page number 51. B part of this question is 5965. Next number is 4731. Five minus 1, 4. 6 minus 3, 3. 9 minus 7, 2. 5 minus 4, 1. C part of this question is 9127. Next number is 2103. Seven minus 3, 4. 2 minus 0, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. 9 minus 2, 7. D part is 6728. Next number is 3415. Eight minus 5, 3. 2 minus 1, 1. 7 minus 4, 3. 6 minus 3, 3. E part is 7259 minus 4238. Once again, from extreme right side, 9 minus 8, 1. 5 minus 3, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. And 7 minus 4, 3. F part is 6932 minus 42 4630. 2 minus 0, 2, 3 minus 3, 0, 9 minus 6, 3, 6 minus 4, 2. G part is 8, 3, 6, 7, minus 1, 3, 5, 2. Seven minus 2, 5, 6 minus 5, 1, 3 minus 3, 0, 8 minus 1, 7. Four minus two, this is two. 0 minus 0, 0, 7 minus 3, 4, 9 minus 7, 2. Last part of this question is I part, which is 8493 minus 6351. 3 minus 1, 2, 9 minus 5, 4, 4 minus 3, 1, 8 minus 6, 2. Question number 3 on the same page. Answer this. A part is what is difference between 3228 and 5938. What is difference between 3228 and 5938? Now from these two numbers 5938 is greater, so we will write it first 5938, then 3228. Now subtract. For an extreme right side, 8 minus 8 is 0, 3 minus 2 is 1, 9 minus 2 is 7, and 5 minus 3 is 2. B part is, what is 4863 subtract 2152. Now 4863 is written, so we will write it first, then 2152 and then subtract. 3 minus 2, 1, 5 minus 6, 6 minus 5, 1, 8 minus 1, 7, and 4 minus 2 is 2. C part is, how much less is 3846 than 6987? 6 minus 7 minus 6, 1, 8 minus 4, 4, 9 minus 8, 1, 6 minus 3, 3. D part, what is 9258 take away 7234? 9258 7234. 8 minus 4 is 4, 5 minus 3 is 2, 2 minus 2 is 0, and 9 minus 7 is 2. E part is, what is difference between 7209 and 4103? Nine minus 3 is 6, 0 minus 0 is 0, 2 minus 1, 1, 7 minus 4, 3. Last part of this question is F part. What is 6815 subtract 3204? 5 minus 4, 1, 1 minus 0, 1, 8 minus 2, 6, 3 minus 6 minus 3 is 3. Now moving on page number 52, question number 1. A part is 4839 2769. Nine minus 9, 0. Now 3 is smaller and 6 is greater. So we will take carry from the previous one, which is 8. 8 will become 7 and this becomes 13. 13 minus 6, 7. 7 minus 7, 0. 4 minus 2 is 2. Five, 5, 7, 1. Next is 1602. From extreme right side, 1 is smaller and 2 is greater. So we will take carry from 7. 7 becomes 6 and 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. 6 minus 0 is 6. Once again, 5 is smaller and 6 is greater. So we take carry from 5. 15 minus 6, 9. And 4 minus 1 is 3. C part is 9044 6253. Four minus 3, 1. Now 4 is smaller and 5 is greater. Before 4, this is 0. We can take carry. So we will take carry from the 9. This 9 becomes 8 and this 0 becomes 10. Now we will take carry from this 10. This is 9 and 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 5, 9. 9 minus 2, 7. 8 minus 6, 2. D part is 6417. The next number is 4058. Seventeen minus 8, this is 9. Now 0 is smaller, we will take carry from this 4 and 0 become 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 3 minus 0, 3. 6 minus 4, 2. E part of this question is 8001 Next number is 2165. Eleven minus 5, 6, 9 minus 6, 3, 9 minus 1, 8, 7 minus 2 is 5. Now 7, 2, 3, 6 minus 4, 5, 8, 9. 6 is smaller, 9 is greater. So we have to take carry from 3. 3 becomes 2 and 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 9 is 7. Now 2 is smaller, we take carry from this 2. 12 minus 8, 4. And once again carry from 7. 11 minus 5, 6. And 6 minus 4 is 2. G part is 3, 9, 6, 0 minus 1, 9, 7, 2. Now 10 minus 2 is 8. 5 is smaller. We will take carry from this 9. 15 minus 7 is 8. 8 minus 8 is smaller and 9 is greater. 18 minus 9 is 9 and 2 minus 1 is 1. H part is 5 and 8. 5 is smaller. Now 15 minus 8 is 7. Once again carry because 1 is smaller and 6 is greater. 11 minus 6, 5. 12 minus 6, 6. 4 minus 4 is 0. Last part of this question is I part, which is 6205. Next number is 3497. Fifteen minus 8, 7 is 8. 9 minus 9 is 0. 11 minus 4, 7, and 5 minus 3 is 2. Students, also note down your diary. We have to solve question number 1, 2 and 3 on page 51 on your book and question number 3 of page 52 on your book.